Hi, kitchen friends! Welcome to Jules Flavor Bliss. Who doesn't love chocolates? I love chocolates and my heart leaps while munching some. And I'm so excited when I discovered that there will be a chocolate festival here in Rome. It is right across the street going to Vatican City. And it's just a small chocolate festival wherein only 15 stalls participating because of the limited space of Piazza Risorgimento. But my energy is still high, so enthusiastic, could not help but feeling overwhelmed with these chocolates. So, as I went home, I came up with an idea. Why not create my homemade chocolates? So come on, join me in my kitchen and let's go chocolating. But this time, we'll take the easy road. With a double boiler, let's melt the chocolates. But make sure the bottom of your double boiler doesn't touch the hot water. So meanwhile, let's prepare our chocolate molder. And I am painting it with some gold dust. And these are edible gold dust. Let's go back to our chocolates. Let's check how it's going. A little reminder, we are making a swirl right at the center of the bag. And then we'll go outside until all the chocolates are melted. As you can see, now it's ready. Let's just pour them on our prepared chocolate molds. You see how easy peasy it is how to make homemade chocolates? At this point, I'm adding some dried mangoes for a little variation. Now we'll rest them inside the fridge for a couple of hours. Well, I think they're ready to be unmolded. And it is better for us to use a pair of food gloves while unmolding the chocolates because we don't want fingerprints on our chocolates. And look at that, how shiny it is. And the gorgeous gold effect on the top of our chocolates. From those choco chips, we transformed it into a gorgeous chocolates, homemade chocolates. And how about homemade chocolate truffles? Easy peasy. I slightly heated some whipped cream in my double boiler. Then I add the choco chips. Just remember that we are heating the chocolates with a slow fire and then dusting it with a little salt. Why salt? We just want to enhance more the flavor of the chocolates. Again, we make a swirl at the center, not so much, not beating it because we don't want to incorporate air in the chocolates. And then let it cool inside the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. And this must be the texture or the consistency of our chocolates or the ganache. Then we'll shape it into a ball. Let's dump it on a cocoa powder. This time, we are going to fill our truffles with my prepared pistachio cream. While this one, let's roll it on our powdered sugar. How about let's put crunch on our truffles? Let's roll them on our ground nuts. Well, it depends on you. You can roll them over on a bed of sprinkles, or let's say some ground cookies, or it depends on your imagination. And another, Geran, these are our homemade chocolate truffles. You see how easy peasy it is to make these homemade chocolates? And they're not expensive the way they used to be. So next time, try to make this homemade chocolates recipe, and I guarantee you, you will love it. And you won't stop making them again and again and again. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. And if you want more easy peasy recipes, please don't forget to subscribe. And see you every week for another easy peasy recipes. And thanks for watching, kitchen friends. Stay well, take care, God bless, bye!